Welcome to today's walkthrough video, and this is the Ocean Breeze Resort. Okay, so just had a quick walk inside, spoke to reception. They've given me the room rate prices, and they've also given me, I don't know if you want to freeze this, I'll just go in here. This has all the times of what times the restaurant's open, the happy hour, the pool opening times, check-in times, Wi-Fi, etc. So if that's handy for you, just freeze frame that whenever you need. And I'll just have a quick walk through. Cheers. Oh, what a nice day, yeah? Happy days, starting on the Leo already. Okay, so it's quite a small resort, and it does remind me of, with it being blue and white, a little Greek village. It's got that vibe to it. It's an oceanfront property, so it's bang on the beach. There's a pool next to the little bar at the front, and at the very front of the hotel there's the bungalows with swim up rooms, and I will give you the room rates in a moment. We go. I think these are all the standard rooms up here at the back near the roadside. It's quiet at the moment. They've got plenty of occupancy. If you do like this kind of content, please do like and subscribe. It does help the channel, and it pushes these videos for small channels like mine. We got a little room here. Quiet, I won't intrude. It does help small channels like mine grow and puts my content out there, so people who are like-minded and like this kind of videos will be able to see them on YouTube. So please do like and subscribe. So the small rooms, which I assume are these and the standard rooms in the block here, the back, they're priced at 1,600 as a walk-in rate. I'm not sure what the booking sites, I've not checked. That's the walk-in rate, but speaking to reception, they have highlighted that they're only one big bed and not two. They haven't got options for two singles. Like I say, I've not checked on the booking site, so I can't confirm that, or it could just be a miscommunication in language, but they did say their rooms are only available with a double bed. And if you want to add an extra bed in, so if you're with a friend or just with someone who you don't want to share a bed with, that's an extra 500 per night, which is a bit extra and pushes the price up quite considerably when you're only paying 1,600 for the room in the first place. Here's your public toilets, and here is the beachfront. So we have the pool here. I've been here before for happy hour. Happy hour is two of them at the bar, which is 1 till 2 and 5 till 5 till 6. So if you want to just pass by, have a nice cool drink at the bar when you've been on the beach during the course of the day. It's a lovely little bar, and it's a lovely little spot just to sit, relax, and have a snack, bite to eat, and a nice cool drink. And you can use the pool, they don't mind. Okay, so you mentioned the beachfront bungalows. They're priced at 4,500, and they have a swim up pool. I'll just come to that in a moment. These are the back of them. I had a look before, and I think they're vacant. So I'm not intruding anyone's privacy by filming this bit. So these look absolutely lovely, and that is your view. You're just overlooking the ocean and the bar area. I'll just walk you around. So yeah, these are priced at 4,500, and yet again they have the same problem. I can only go from what reception have told me. They only have double beds in them. So like I said before, if you are staying with someone and you don't want to share a bed, you have to pay an additional 500 baht per night to have a new bed put in. Now, that does seem a bit excessive, to be honest. I'd expect that to be something to throw in as complimentary. Because once the bed's in, and why you charge for it per night? It's not like you're adding an extra person on. So I don't really understand that. But I can only go from what reception have said. You've got plenty of sun lounges here in front. Here we go. I'll walk you to the beachfront in a moment. I've been walking down the beach this morning, and for the first time it's full of very large jellyfish. Now you've got to be careful where you stand. Now the only thing that does kind of rile me a little bit with these places, they give you these beautiful rooms with beautiful swim up pools, like an infinity style pool, as you can see, but when you spin round, your view is the back of other people's sunbeds, which is kind of unfortunate in a way. It's just the way it's laid out. It would be nice to have the infinity pool with a direct ocean view, but there you go. It is what it is. I think this is for when you're doing barbecues and whatnot. And your lovely little bar area. And it does have a super little chill out area. Hello! Which is just here, now that. What a spot that is to watch the world go by. So yeah, that's a lovely little spot. And we have a little cocktail bar here with some swing seats. Very cute. There we go. We've got Chang on tap. That's lovely. Very cool. And you got lots of shade here, so if you do want to put yourself down for a half an hour, chill out, quick dip in the pool, nice cold drink, this is the place to come. Here we go. It's got all the prices here, just to give you an idea. And if you're passing by and just want a snack, bite to eat, lunch, dinner, whatever, set menus. Okay, so I'll conclude the tour there. I'll just take you to the beach and spin around. As I say, if you do like this kind of content, please do like and subscribe. It does help. And this is the beach you can expect. It's lowish tide at the moment. Just to give you a point of reference, we have the lighthouse here, and straight up there will take you to the main road. At the back of the hotel you have a road that just goes from here to the back and then up into the main street, which will bring you out quite close to where the McDonald's is, which is quite central to the middle of Khao Lak. Okay, so thank you for watching, and that is the end of today's walkthrough video.